Hello everybody, this is Jeff here once again. What's up? God, it's such a mess around here. My shop, it needs help! But anyway, a little bit more progress on the TOS Enterprise. And start here with this bridge. This completely scratch-built bridge that we have been building to stuff inside of the bridge dome, and it's coming along nicely, coming along really good actually. I've gone around and we've added the consoles around the console area around the perimeter of the bridge, and also the areas kind of like struts where you've got the turbo lift will go back there. Forgive my hand for being so messy, but I just got finished making a mess with paint. And also the space right here for the viewer. As I said in the previous video, kind of taking a page out of what I believe would be a front window for this model, if based upon the initial images and video of the pilot, the cage model. You do get that depicted here, and you see it has that right there on the front. And if I believe it correctly, if those were meant to be windows, then the front view screen actually was meant to be a window with, kind of technology allow you to do whatever. Kind of what you see in modern day Trek. And if not, well then just kind of put my own spin on it. Because if you take the TOS ship and move it to the 21st century being created now, what would it be like? And I like big windows. I like a lot of windows too. So you can see here we've done a little bit. We finally primed this, and we also cut out a few extra windows to go around the BC deck area. Right there. I kind of like that. So, but right now, the only other work that we've done is with the shuttle bay, and we've gone ahead and started putting some paint on here. I'm kind of messing myself up just a little bit by laying this paint color on top of gray primer and as opposed to like a white base, because this is a light color. But getting back to the swing of things after having been gone for what, years? Yeah, having to work with what I got here, and that's where we're at. But we've kind of gone with a tannish color, kind of what you see in the shuttle bay. Do give you that picture right there of the model kit, and you get online, find reference images, and of course you've got similar colors right there. So it's kind of swinging it back to that, and liking it, loving the thought, because you get that classic look, classic coloration, but with a modern day feel. It's kind of what I'm going to. It's almost like it's kind of like resto modding a vintage car. It's kind of like that. It's kind of why I love that big bubble bridge on the top of there. It has this flying saucer look to it almost, and it has that retro futuristic look, and I think that's really more what I'm going for, is this retro futuristic look. So with retro futurism, you have a lot of curves and sweeping edges, but you also have a lot of big bubbly windows and brown colors and stuff, but vivid popping colors and stuff as well. So it's kind of the vibe of what I'm going for with this build. But it's not very much to this video today, because this is all I've done, but this has been several hours worth of work right here. Mostly that has taken a while. And at one point I did actually, oh God, I can't believe I thought about this, but I did have, you got this space right here for the turbo lift doors. I had one over here too. It's kind of why you can see, if we can get close enough, that this console kind of does have a break right here. Yeah, because I really thought about that. I had done that. But then we decided against it. Like, look, I'm not going to deviate too much from what we know with this starship, because this is, she's elegance. You mentioned Enterprise, and you know, you can just hear Scotty, you know, bloody A, B, C, or D. Even though I love the A myself, it kind of actually is a personal favorite. But and that refit is just gorgeous because she was my first Enterprise. So anyway, though, that is where we're at right now, and that's where we're going to leave it. So those of you out there building models, continue building. I'm glad to be back in this. I wish I could be doing this a lot more, you know, devoting a lot more time to it than what I'm able to. But like I say, I do work full time, 40 hours a week. 4 babies at the house. It's busy time. So finding time to build is scarce, but we're working on it. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.